A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this update on Filecoin and the FIL token. Wanted to make a quick update on that because we've been pretty bearish since yesterday. We're still holding this. We're still holding the 236 fib as we talked about yesterday as well, around 8.3. But I wanted to make a quick update on that. What to expect? There's evidently more bearish momentum right now in Filecoin than we've had in the last 3 days. So I want to give you my opinion at least on what's about to happen. So if we take a look at Filecoin right now at some of the statistics, you can see that the volume is still very high, around 1.5 billion. If you take a look at where most of that volume is coming from, you can see that most is coming from credible sources. There's still like 15-20% coming from sources which I would see as well, a little bit less reliable to say the least. And in terms of the price movements, I mean, we can, excuse me, that's the telephone. In terms of the price movements, there have also been some weird movements, like yesterday afternoon. Now, obviously, yesterday afternoon, we got into some sort of a bull trap, I think, with the old markets. It's very evidently with Bitcoin. And I think Filecoin also suffered because of that. Dropped down from 9.2 all the way to 8.3, which we are still at right now. And that's really a key level, because what I said yesterday as well is that if we are actually able to hold 8.3 around the 236 fib for like 1-2 days, then we're strong enough to also break above 9.5 and get up to that 10.6, 10.8 level, which is our next resistance level. At this point of time, though, even though we found support, it doesn't look like it's that strong. You can see that we already yesterday or tonight, we actually already spiked down. So to me, it seems more likely that, also showed in yesterday's video, that we'll do something like this. So sure, we have found some support here, but now we'll drop down to our next support level. To me, that evidently is as level around 7.5. It's a pretty big level because technically it ranges all the way from 7.3, 7.2 up to $8, which is unfortunate because I always like I like smaller levels more than these huge key areas. Maybe we can identify a main level. I think we can. I think the main level really is this level here at the top. Between 7.7 and $8, and I think we'll drop down there, and that will become the most important level. Because if we drop down to that level, you can also see very nicely, you can no longer see it right now, but very nicely the 382 fib is at the bottom of that level. We'll drop down there. If we can actually hold 7.7, I think we'll form some sort of a consolidation. And if we can do that, then I still expect, even though it sounds ridiculous, that at some point we'll get back up to $9 and 9.5, perhaps even break above that. Because the main thing is that if we can hold this level between 8 and 7.7 to repeat, that means that there's a lot of bullish momentum and strength in Filecoin. And together with new bullish fundamentals still coming with the Filecoin EVM somewhere in March, I think this is possible. But we do need to consolidate because we have rallied quite a bit and we hit some major resistance levels. So we have to consolidate, it seems to me at least. But if we do that up here, then I still expect bullish momentum somewhere at the end of February or beginning of March. Now, however, it's not set in stone that we'll hold 7.7 as a support. I think we'll initially find support there. But if we can if we drop down below 7.7, we'll drop down to 7.3, take a break retest, and I think drop down even all the way down to 6.8 and 6.6. So it's all about, I think we'll drop down to that level at 7.7 and $8. If we can then actually hold that for 2-3 days, we're fine. And Filecoin is still very much bullish. But if it breaks, which is definitely a possibility, we're going to drop a little bit more before we can start talking about a second rally. But that's my take on Filecoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.